welcome to my lean-green eating routine. So I wanted to share with you guys just what I did today, how I prepared for the week with my meals, and what I like to do. So I believe that there's so many awesome ways to live your life and to eat and to nourish yourself. This is just what I happen to be doing right now, and I wanted to share it with you guys because I had a lot of people asking about it. So what I've done is I prepared some food. I want to go ahead and share with you what that is. I prepared 3 servings of salmon. So this is salmon with zucchini noodles on the bottom. I'll show you what that looks like. I just bake the salmon, make the zucchini noodles ahead of time. I leave them raw. I like the crunch. I put it together in this little container and I put a slice of lemon on top. The seasoning on the salmon is ground mustard, a little bit of liquid aminos, and salt and pepper. That's it, super simple. I put a little squeeze of lemon on top when it's done, and that's a simple 3 servings of zucchini noodles, salmon, and lemon. I like to eat this with a salad, preferably like an arugula salad would be great. Some baby greens are always really good with that as well. Next thing I have, I'll open this up so you can see. This is prep for a taco salad. So this is zucchini, portobello mushroom, baby bell peppers, turkey. This is organic, all natural, no preservatives, no antibiotics, completely organic turkey ground, and I mixed it with some cumin, coriander, oregano, a little splash of hot sauce, and then I top it with cilantro leaves. And again, I'll eat that on a crunchy lettuce like romaine, and that'll be a taco salad. So that's super yummy. For that one, you can also add a little slice or 2 of avocado, but I wouldn't do it in the container. I would do that as you're eating it so the avocado stays fresh. And a little tip is to leave the seed inside, and that way it keeps the freshness as well. So if you take that out, it'll start to brown a lot faster. It'll probably still taste good, but it won't be as pretty, and we eat with our eyes, right? So the next thing I made is organic, beautiful, boneless, skinless chicken breast. And that's with broccoli. This is tomato from my garden and zucchini again. And I just steam the veggies. The chicken is done with a little bit of garlic. I put it in a baking dish. Little garlic, splash of olive oil, a little bit of fresh oregano, fresh parsley, and I just let it bake like that. It gets nice and brown and yummy. And I made 4 of those. So 4 of each of those dishes. So 3 of the salmon, 4 chicken breast and veggies, 4 taco salad preps. I made 3 hard-boiled eggs, which are a great snack to have throughout the day. I also prepped a little salad dressing, so it's ready to go. This is balsamic vinegar, olive oil, a splash of lemon juice, a little bit of that stone ground mustard that I was telling you about, a little sea salt, and black pepper. And then I take 1 clove of garlic and I crush it, and I put the whole clove in there. So as it sits, it just gets that nice garlic flavor. I love garlic. And then you just drizzle that on your salad as you wish. I love to have salads, so I pretty much typically have a green salad with almost every meal. Another thing I have on hand are beautiful lemons. I wanted to tell you guys about that detox water, so make sure you're detoxing every day by drinking lots and lots of yummy water with slices of lemon, a few slices of fresh ginger, and a few slices of fresh cucumber. Just let that sit in the water all day and sip it as you go, and that's going to help along with your detox. Another thing I want to tell you guys about are my supplements. So I start every day with my Slim, and I finish every day with my BioCleanse and my ProBio 5. These are things I've been doing for over a year now. Another thing I've just recently added in is my breakfast, which is Lean Shake. So you see there's no breakfast prepped here. It used to be an overnight oatmeal, but now I'm going a little bit different, this Lean and Green. So with the Lean and Green, I'm not doing as many carbohydrates, so I'm staying away from oatmeal. Therefore, I'm drinking a Lean Shake for breakfast every morning, which gives me tons of really great vitamins and minerals, a beautiful form of folate, which is not synthetic, so that's super important for us to have in our bodies. And I'm also taking MetaBurn. This is something that I just started about 11 days ago, 11 or 12 days ago, and I've had awesome results. I feel like my waistline has just felt so much slimmer and leaner. Same with my hips and thighs, just any little fat that was kind of hard to get off after the baby came is just falling off now with my workouts. And so my workouts feel like they're so much more energized, and I feel like $1,000,000. So this is just some of my meal prep. I hope this gives you guys some good ideas for things you can do. These could be used as lunches on the run or dinners, or you can even separate them into halves and make it a snack. All right, you guys, I hope you have an awesome day, and I'll see you next time. Let me know what you want to hear about.